Listen, there is a moment in every person's life. A moment when you look at yourself and ask, is this really who I want to be? Most people never ask this question. They just wake up, eat, work, sleep, repeat. No dream, no purpose, no fire inside. But you are not most people. You are someone who wants to grow, someone who wants to fight, someone who wants to change their life. Let me tell you something powerful. Your future is created by the decisions you make today, not tomorrow, not next week, today, right now. Every great person you admire was once a normal human like you, but one day they decided to stop wasting time, decided to stop listening to negative people, decided to believe in themselves, and that decision changed everything. You know what the problem is? People say, I will start when I get the perfect time. But the truth is, there is no perfect time. The time is now. If you want to change your life, wake up earlier, work harder, learn something new, cut off distractions, break your laziness, say no to excuses, say yes to growth, because the world is moving fast. If you don't move, you will be left behind. Remember this line: no one is coming to save you. You have to save yourself. Your family needs you. Your future needs you. Your dreams are waiting for you. But they won't come to you by magic. You must go after them with full force. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. Start small, start scared, start uncomfortable, but start. Every step you take, every effort you make, every hour you invest is building a stronger, smarter, better version of you. Someday, people will ask you, how did you become successful? And you will smile and say, I decided not to quit. This is your moment. This is your sign. This is your new beginning. Stand up, take charge of your life, fight for your dreams, and never forget, you are stronger than you think, you are capable, and your story is far from over.